Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem Amazon gift card for Microsoft Rewards. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Now the first thing you want to do is to head over to Microsoft's website, and from here you want to make sure you're logged into your correct account. Once you've done that, we want to head over to this page which is called Microsoft Rewards, and we just want to click this button that says Start Earning. From here we'll be taken to this page, and at the top we can see how many available points we have. Now just want to remember how many points are in here, because we're going to need to know that when it comes time to redeem these points. So in order to get our Amazon gift card, we just want to go ahead and click redeem here, and if you scroll down a bit, as you can see right here, here's the Amazon gift card. So we can click on this, and as you can see, we can claim £5 Amazon gift card for 7,600 points. Now there's actually more options here as well, so we can click this, and you can also get a £10 gift card, or you can get a custom amount. So with that custom amount, it does actually go up to £80. However, that will cost 121,000 points, so that will take quite a long time to get there. But if you do have that many points, you can go ahead and redeem that right now. So as you can see, this bottom is grayed out where it says redeem reward, but if you have enough points, you'll be able to click this button here, and then from there Microsoft will give you a gift card. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.